To use Apple Pay on Fashion Nova, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay. This includes iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Mac models. You also need to have a supported credit or debit card added to your wallet app. First, open the wallet app on your device and tap the plus sign to add a new card. Follow the prompts to enter your card information or take a photo of your card. You may need to verify your card with your bank, which can be done through email, phone, or text message. Once your card is added, go to the Fashion Nova website or mobile app and start shopping. When you are ready to check out, select the items you want to purchase and proceed to the payment page. Look for the Apple Pay option, which is usually indicated by the Apple Pay logo. Tap the Apple Pay button to initiate the payment process. You will be prompted to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, depending on your device settings. If you are using an Apple Watch, you will need to double-click the side button to authenticate. After authenticating, review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. You will see the payment amount, your card information, and the shipping address. If everything looks good, tap the Pay button to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message once the payment is successful, and your order will be processed by Fashion Nova. You can also view the transaction details in your wallet app, including the payment amount and the date of the transaction. Using Apple Pay on Fashion Nova is a secure and convenient way to make purchases online. Your card information is not shared with Fashion Nova, and your transaction is protected by Apple's secure payment technology. By following these steps, you can easily use Apple Pay to make purchases on Fashion Nova and enjoy a seamless shopping experience.